Hello everyone, I am Brunda from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. In this video, let us discuss about the structure, function and characteristics of the cell. Firstly, introduction. As we all know that cell is the fundamental unit of life and it is the basic building block of all the living organisms, and it is a complex self-contained system that performs essential functions to sustain life such as metabolism, growth and reproduction, etc. And now let us come to the structure of the cell. The firstly, it contains a nucleus at the center of its cell. It contains the genetic material that directs all the cellular activity. Nextly, mitochondria. It is also called as the powerhouses of the cell. Because these are responsible for energy production through cellular respiration. The thirdly, we came to endoplasmic reticulum. Its network-like structure, it contains of tubes and sacs that transport materials and assist in proton synthesis. Cell membrane and its role in transport. Firstly, it acts as a selective permeability because the cell membrane allows the passage of certain molecules in and out of the cell while blocking unwanted materials. Secondly, it acts as an active transport. The cell uses energy to actively pump specific molecules against the concentration gradient and maintaining their proper balance inside the cell. Thirdly, passive transport. Some molecules can freely diffuse across the cell membrane down a concentration gradient without using energy. Fourthly, it acts as a facilitated diffusion. The second one is cytoplasm and its components. First is cytosol. It is a gel-like fluid that fills the cell and suspends the organism, allowing for movement of materials. Next, it is cytoskeleton, a network of protein filaments that provide structure, shape, and support to the cell, as well as facilitate the movement. Ribosomes are the smallest organelles responsible for the synthesis of proteins and essential building blocks of the cell. Vessel, membrane-bound structure that transport uh, nutrients within the cell membrane. Nucleus as a genetic material, it includes DNA. It contains the instructions for all cellular activities and hereditary traits. The next is chromatin, the complex of DNA and proteins that condenses to form chromosomes during cell division. Next is nucleolus, a specialized region within the nucleus where ribosomes are assembled and RNA processing occurs. Nuclear envelope, the membrane that contains protects the nucleus and helps the movement of materials inside the nucleus. And let us look at cell division. It contains mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis process is to cell division that produces two genetically identical daughter cells, and these are essential for growth and repair. Meiosis helps like it's a specialized cell division that produces genetic distinct gametes, sperm and eggs for sexual reproduction. And thirdly, apoptosis, programmed cell death, a natural process that removes unhealthy or unnecessary cells from the body. Cellular metabolism, it involves photosynthesis and respiration. When we come to the photosynthesis, the process by which plants and some microorganisms convert light energy into chemical energy in the form of glucose. And next is cellular respiration, the process by which cells break down glucose and other organic molecules to release energy in the form of ATP. And this is cell signaling and communication. Cell receptors, proteins on the cell surface that display and respond to chemical signals from the environment to other cells. And next is signal transduction, the process by which a cell converts an extracellular signal into a response within the cell. Cell-cell communication. Cells can communicate with each other through the exchange of chemical signals and coordinating their activities. And this is the diversity of cell types and the specialization. The firstly we look at epithelial cells. For it, they form the outer layer of the body and line internal organs, providing protection and facilitating absorption and secretion. Next is muscle cells. They are responsible for movement, contracting and relaxing to enable locomotion, circulation and other vital functions. Thirdly, it is nerve cells, transmit electrical signals throughout the body, allowing for communication between different parts of the organism. And fourthly, it is blood cells, include red blood cells that transport oxygen, white blood cells that defend against infection, and platelets that clot the blood. Friends, thanks for watching.